And welcome to Gregory Getner's Tiny Channel on YouTube. This is just my learning channel for me learning to play guitar. I've learned how to play harmonica and blues flute and what have you. This guitar had a shattered bridge. This is a Takamine EGS 330SC. Yes, EGS 330SC. You probably don't even know it much. Had the worst Takamine bridge ever invented. And for blue-collar workers like me, if you're splitting wood, you know that if you go through the grain, it just splits, and you want to have some kind of reinforcement. Well, they never did that. For those of you who play a lot of guitar, you know that the typical peg system, you've got the string coming over on a 90 degree against the whole block of bridge. Somebody in their infinite wisdom designed this to go straight through, less than an eighth of an inch, less than that even, on wood holding it. And they had all these strings pulling through and literally shattered the entire bridge. So it took about 5 or 6 hours. I had to refigure out how to glue this back together. So we used extenders on the existing bolts that were hidden under little plugs, and then larger washers, got it glued down tight, and then I hand cut a copper stop tail for this, and it's right there. So now these string balls are pressing against copper against the entire thickness of the bridge plate. So this should last him a lifetime. This is a good friend of mine. We won't use his name on YouTube, but this is the Takamine. I love Takamine. They've discontinued this bridge because it was their worst bridge in history. And this is the sound test here on the little tiny channel. So this is going through a Yamaha THR5 amplifier, modeling amplifier, a wonderful beast. And this has got, I put on Marquis number 12 gauge Martin strings, and the resonance is really phenomenal. This is better than it was when it was created as far as durability and also tunability, because the balls can't keep sinking further into the bridge. So this is an Unshattered Bridge by Gregory on a Takamine 330 with an EGS in front of it. We don't always say all that, just a 330. And that's the story. And thank you for visiting here at Greg's Tiny Channel.